Alright, hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Marcus aka M4G and my lens is a little bit dirty. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Marcus aka M4G. Today this video is all about the batteries in comparison for the CineLog35 from GepRC, because I did a lot of research on the internet and I couldn't find good videos actually where they compare batteries for the CineLog35 for different flight style with different attachments. So my idea for today is I'm going to have 4 batteries, 1100, 1300, 1400 and 1550, all 6S. And then I'm going to use it with a attached Osmo Action 5 and without, and this in 2 different flight styles. So one of them is kind of cinematic real estate one, and the other one is kind of cinematic freestyle, a little bit more aggressive. So I have to take now 16 flights and I am really excited how long the flight time will be with the different attachment and without, of course, and how this will go. So let's check it out. Open up the magic box. So these are 1100 milliampere and 1300. These are the knock race ones. It's my first time I'm using them. They are from Stefan's LiPo shop. Cool. And the R-line ones, 1400 and Tattoo Funfly 1550. All in 6S, as I told you. It's very cold outside today, so we have 6 degrees Celsius. So that's not the best for our comparison here, but I will try to give my best to keep them as warm as possible here in my backpack. And 800. So we have 2 minutes and 34 of flight time and we have used 807 milliamperes. Okay, 2 minutes 50 and we have used 994 milliamperes. Three minutes and 18 and 1099 milliamperes used. Three minutes, 36 seconds and 1205 milliamperes used. Alright guys, I'm now here in the studio and we will have a look at this spreadsheet because this will tell us all the details. First of all, in this spreadsheet you are going to see all the inputs I've made. You can see the flight time and the battery as well as the style, and if I have flown this flight with an attached Osmo Action 5 or with just the raw O3 air unit. My idea was when flying to use exactly 80% of the capacity from the battery, but that's not that easy. So you can see here in this column the actually used flight percentage, and that we can get a better overview and a better comparison for the flight time. I have then calculated the flight time to 80%. And this is what you can see here in this row. And now it's going to look like this. You can see here it's ordered by the battery. So we are starting with the 1100 and we are ending with the 1550 milliampere battery. And on the very right hand side you can see the calculated flight time for 80%. And that means the Osmo Action 5, for example, in Freestyle with a battery of 1100 has got a flight time of 2 minutes and 52 seconds. I've got another chart, it's the same flight time and the same values, but just another order. So here I have ordered it by the calculated flight time. So the maximum flight time was 7 minutes and 34 seconds and the shortest flight was 2 minutes and 52. I think this is a good graph which shows you the actual flight time in comparison to the battery. 1550 was 3 minutes and 48 seconds. I think this is a really good flight time for that heavy quad because it's really heavy and it's really loud. So now let's step here in detail. 1100 milliampere. And I've used 80%, that means 880 milliampere used. O3 air unit only, cinematic flight style 6 minutes and 11 seconds, freestyle 4 minutes 4 seconds, with attached Osmo Action 5, cinematic 4 minutes and 9 seconds, and freestyle 2 minutes and 52 seconds. The 1300 milliampere hour battery with a capacity used of 80%, that means 1040 milliampere hours used. Only O3 air unit, cinematic flight style 7 minutes, freestyle 4 minutes 49. With the Osmo Action 5, cinematic 4 minutes 45 and freestyle 3 minutes and 5 seconds. The 1400 milliampere hour battery with a 80% usage of 1120 milliampere hours. Only O3 air unit, cinematic flight style 7 minutes and 1 second. This is a surprise because on the 1300 one we get almost 7 minutes and this is just 1 second more. So this is very strange, but yeah, it's the actual result of my flights. 1550 milliampere battery where I've only used 1240 milliamperes hour. That's with O3 air unit, cinematic 7 minutes 34 seconds, freestyle 5 minutes 25 seconds, and with attached Osmo Action 5, cinematic flight style 5 minutes 29 seconds and freestyle 3 minutes and 48 seconds. I think that's quite good numbers and it's very interesting to see. For the flight behavior themselves, I can recommend you the 1300 milliampere hour battery for freestyle if you're only going to use the O3 air unit, because this is quite good for flying. To me it looked good and to me it felt good. And when you have to make the most flight time, then I would really recommend you the 1550 milliampere hour battery, because as you can see, most flight time, and it feels also good. It's a bit heavy, it feels like a truck a little bit, but I like it because it's more stable, especially when doing cinematic style. It's more, yeah, it's flying good in the air. So I definitely go for the 1550, and if I just want to have some fun without a Osmo Action 5, then I think I will use the 1030 milliampere hour battery. So my winner is the 1550 milliampere hour battery, because most flight time and it's quite agile and it's a lot of fun to fly with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful, not only if you're going to use the CineLog35 from GepRC, but maybe another quad too, because we get a good idea about the ratio from the weight to the capacity to the flight style, and if you're going to attach a Osmo Action 5 or not. So please click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you like more videos like this. See you next time, bye bye.